Welcome home to yourself. In this moment, there is nothing to fix, nothing to chase, nothing to become. You are simply here, breathing. Feel the air moving in and out of your body, like soft waves on the shore. Each breath slows you down. Each exhale lets go a little more. Let your shoulders drop, your jaw unclench, your heart rest open. The world outside can wait. This is your space of stillness, your sacred pause between heartbeats. Notice the soft rhythm within your chest, the steady pulse of life that has never left you. It's been here through every moment, quietly loving you even when you forgot. Allow that thought to settle in your bones. You have always been enough. Breathe into your heart. Imagine a warm light expanding there, glowing with soft rose and gold. With each inhale, it grows brighter. With each exhale, it spreads wider. This is the light of love, the love that was always within you. You don't need to earn it, or prove it, or search for it outside. Just feel it now. Simple. Real, alive. Stay with this feeling, this peace, this soft return home. You are safe here. You are whole here. You are enough, right here. Now, gently bring your awareness to the center of your chest, right where that warm light still glows. With every breath, feel it pulse, a living rhythm of love. Each heartbeat whispering, I am here. Allow this gentle warmth to spread through you, first through your chest, then your shoulders, your arms, your hands. Let it travel up your neck, into your face, and down your spine like liquid light. You may feel tingles, or waves of calm, or even a quiet ache rising. Whatever comes, allow it. This is your heart remembering its voice. It's been waiting for you to listen. If emotions surface, don't turn away. They are not breaking you, they are releasing you. Breathe them out in waves, letting every breath carry what no longer belongs in your heart. Every sigh is freedom. Now, feel what remains. A still, warm presence, soft and strong. This is you. You are love. not because of what you do, but because of what you are. You were made from love. You breathe it. You shine it. Let this truth echo inside you. I am love. I am enough. I am whole. Stay with the rhythm of your heart, pulsing in light, matching the frequency of 639 Hertz, the frequency of connection and emotional healing. Feel it vibrate through your chest, softly realigning you with peace. Your heart is open now. You are ready to receive. Now that your heart is open, let yourself rest in this warmth, like being held in gentle light. You've carried so much, haven't you? So many moments where you felt unseen, unheard, unworthy. But here, in this stillness, all of that begins to fade. Every breath you take now whispers, I forgive myself for the times I doubted my worth, for the times I compared my light to someone else's, for the times I couldn't see the beauty that was always there. It's okay. You were learning. You were growing. You were trying to love, even when you didn't know how. Place your hand over your heart if you wish. Feel its rhythm, steady, forgiving, alive. This is your reminder. You are doing your best, and that is enough. Now imagine the golden light in your heart expanding slowly. With each inhale, it grows. With each exhale, it releases every trace of guilt, shame, or regret. Let it flow out of you like gentle smoke, dissolving into the stars. What remains is clarity, peace, and a tender knowing that you have always been enough. Whisper gently to yourself, I am forgiven. I am kind to myself. I am safe in who I am. The light now settles softly in your heart, glowing steady like a sun within. You can feel it nourishing every cell, every thought, every memory. This is the power of self-compassion. It transforms everything it touches. Rest here, in this acceptance, as your heart and mind learn to breathe in the same rhythm once again. Now that you have softened into forgiveness, allow your heart to expand beyond your body. Feel the warmth you created begin to radiate outward, like ripples across calm, sacred water. This is the frequency of love, 639 Hertz, the vibration of connection, understanding, harmony. It moves through you, around you, within every living thing. With each breath, feel this golden pink light of love growing wider. It fills your chest. It rises through your throat. It flows into your face, your hands, your entire being. You are glowing now, softly, powerfully, like a sun made of kindness. Every beat of your heart sends love into the world, to the ones who have loved you, to the ones who have hurt you, to the ones who are still finding their way. You release the need to control their story. You only offer them light, and it returns to you, magnified. Now, imagine the space around you glowing. Waves of pink and gold moving like soft silk in the air. Every sound, every breath, every pulse aligns with this rhythm of love. Let gratitude rise gently in your chest for every lesson that shaped you, for every mistake that taught you compassion, for every new beginning waiting quietly in the light. Whisper gently to yourself, I am love. I am connection. I am light, and I share it freely. Freely. Now rest here, bathing in this radiant stillness. The music, the frequency, your heartbeat, all in harmony. You are a vessel of love. You are enough. Now slowly, begin to bring your awareness back. Back to the space you're in. Back to the rhythm of your breath. The love you've awakened, the peace you've built within, they're not leaving you. They are part of you now, quietly alive inside every cell. Feel your feet, connected to the earth beneath you. Feel your spine, tall, supported, strong. Feel your heart, still open, still glowing, still free. You've released, you've healed, and now you return with softness and balance. The love you hold within will guide your choices, your thoughts, and the way you speak to yourself. Even when the world moves fast, you will remain still inside. You no longer chase validation. You no longer hold pain to feel worthy. You are whole, exactly as you are. Now, imagine roots of light extending from your body down into the earth. They anchor you gently, like threads of gold. They remind you, you are safe here. You belong here. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, whisper softly, I am here. I am enough. I am free. Allow that calm to settle into your heart, where it will stay long after this meditation ends. Take a moment to feel the calm that now lives within you. Notice how light your chest feels, how your breath moves freely. You've reminded your heart of its truth, that love begins right here, within you. Let that knowing guide you through the rest of your day, through your relationships, through every quiet moment that asks for gentleness. Thank yourself for showing up tonight. Thank your heart for being brave enough to heal. You are love. You are peace. You are enough. If this meditation brought you comfort, I invite you to stay on this healing path with me. Subscribe for more guided journeys of peace, love, and restoration. And if your heart feels lighter, leave a simple heart in the comments, a reminder that you returned home to yourself tonight. Until next time, rest deeply, love gently, and remember, you are always enough.